Hi everyone, my name is Kim and I am a nutrition student assistant with Health Promotion and Wellness. Welcome to another Healthy Tip Tuesday. As students, we often find ourselves with busy, packed days where we barely have time to finish homework and study, let alone find time to make something to eat. As easy and convenient it is to open a bag of chips or eat a protein bar, there are other more nutritious snack options that you can make in 5 minutes or less. Today I'll be sharing some quick and easy ways to snack on one of my favorite go-to pantry staples, tortillas. Tortillas are very versatile, so you can substitute and add other ingredients as you please. Here are the ingredients I will be working with. I have corn tortillas, then I have a corn and wheat tortilla. I have some brown rice. I have some cheese, baby kale, bell peppers, some beans, corn. I also have some spreadable cheese for the pinwheel. You can also use cream cheese, some sliced turkey, tomatoes, I have some sour cream, and avocado. For corn, you can use canned corn, or you can also heat up frozen corn in the microwave for about 60 seconds. If you have access to a stove, toaster oven, or microwave, you can choose to heat your tortillas, but it's not necessary for the ideas I'll be sharing. You can use any kind of tortilla you prefer. If you have access to them, corn and whole wheat tortillas are great whole grain options, which add a little extra fiber to help fill you up. Beans, hummus, which come from chickpeas, and dairy are good protein sources. Cheese and avocado provide fat, which help us feel more satisfied. And bell peppers or greens, along with the beans and hummus, provide fiber as well as other micronutrients. The snack ideas I will share with you today are a taco, pinwheel, and a vegan wrap. For tacos and burritos, you can typically use the same ingredients to make each. If you have smaller tortillas, a taco might be a better choice. If you have a large tortilla, you can roll up your ingredients together and make a burrito. These corn and wheat tortillas I have are medium small, so I'll be making a taco. So I'll be putting about a spoon each. Beans. Corn. Some rice. A little bit of cheese. I'll do some tomatoes. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of sour cream. And you have yourself a soft taco. Just fold, and there you go. For the pinwheel, I have some sliced turkey, right here, some soft spreadable cheese. This one I'm using Laughing Cow, and you could also use cream cheese. And I have some baby kale. So I'm gonna layer everything, starting with the spreadable cheese. Across the tortilla. Turkey. Just tear that. And I'm going to do a little bit of baby kale as well. Right there in the middle. I'm going to put the ingredients directly on top of each other so that the pinwheel, each slice would get all the ingredients. Other greens you could use are spinach, lettuce, or anything that you might have on hand, and then you're just going to roll. Just like that. And you don't have to, but you could always use a toothpick to keep the pinwheel together. Just like that. And especially if you have bigger tortillas, you can make a larger pinwheel and cut it into more slices. That's where the toothpicks come in handy. And there you go. For the vegan wrap, it's a similar process, just some different ingredients. So instead of the cheese, I'm going to spread some of the hummus. I have some pine nut hummus here. Spread that across. I'm going to lay out some bell peppers. Tomatoes. And some avocados. And then a little bit of the baby kale. And with larger tortillas, you could actually fold over the ingredients and then roll. Since I have small tortillas, I'm just going to fold it like that, similar to a taco. Wrap it like that. And there you go. You have a vegan wrap. Do you have any quick and easy snack ideas that take less than 5 minutes? If so, please leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Before you go, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at SF State Cares for updates on our latest events and activities. For more information on resources that can keep you safe and healthy during this time, please visit the Health Promotion and Wellness website at wellness.sfsu.edu. See you next time.